As an e-commerce store, you want that new subscriber to turn into a customer. To do this, you need to understand not only their intent, but what matters to them at this stage. After all, they are new to your brand. In your messaging, communicate reasons they should feel comfortable buying from you. These might include things like friendly return policies, satisfaction guarantees, the price and speed of shipping, product quality or fit, or brand ethos. These can be communicated in your email header, in the body of your email, in your hero image, or wherever. You get the idea. It doesn't matter where you put them, as long as they're visible to the new subscriber. Take a moment right now and write down your brand's value adds and competitive differentiators. Integrate these into all of your messages. Another thing to utilize in your messages is user-generated content. Include top-rated products, customer favorites, or show star ratings and customer testimonials in your messages to help influence purchases. After all, people are influenced by others' actions. Now that you know which value adds to reinforce in your messaging, it's time to build your messages. For message 1, it's an introduction with intent. These messages can be short and sweet. Welcome the new subscriber. If you offer an incentive, provide it. Use nice imagery that reinforces your brand, highlight some of your products or categories, and most importantly, remember that the goal is to generate a sale. Be sure to include a call to action. For message 2 and beyond, continue introducing your brand products and including your value adds in UGC. Introduce other products or categories like most popular or top rated. And if you've offered them an incentive, remind them of it. Promoting this value add driven content should be your guiding light for your welcome series. The trick is to not overthink your messages and help the subscribers make a purchase decision. The gourmet olive oil company, Island Olive Oil, is an example of how to focus on customer intent. Island Olive Oil is a Shopify customer who uses OmniSend to send their marketing emails. Their 3-part welcome series is laid out as such. Message 1 is an introduction to the store, company owners, and product overview via a short video. The video feeds into the intent and informs the shopper why their products are better. Message 2 is sent the following day and describes their mission, features their best-selling products, and offers a sneak peek at video recipes. Featuring top sellers is a form of social proof and guides the users to more trusted products to purchase, while the recipes add value to the shopper. They're branding themselves as trusted olive oil experts while still focusing on the sale. Their 3rd and final message is sent one day after message 2 and features the most popular gourmet products along with gifting options. After all, maybe the new subscriber is shopping for a nice gift for someone. Again, they're focusing on the sale by directing non-buyers towards specific products and are integrating social proof into their messages. All in all, this series tells the brand story and educates consumers on why premium olive oil is better, caters to customer intent, builds brand value by offering recipes, and more importantly, guides them along a specific purchase journey. And the best part? Even though it runs in the background, the series generates a revenue per email lift more than 3,000% greater than their scheduled promotional campaigns. By focusing your messages on what matters to your consumers and fitting your products into that story, you won't have to overthink what to put in your messages. It's all right in front of you.